The hands of this particular clock are really rusty. They're going to take a little bit of work to try and sort them out. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I think I'm just going to go through a process of maybe wire wooling them to try and get that rust off and get a shine up on them. In an ideal world, originally, and I don't know if you could see it in the pictures, which came in a little bit there, they go through a process called bluing, which is heating up the hands on a bed of brass filings until the metal turns to blue. I've never done that before, and I've actually got a little bit of brass filings somewhere. I'm kind of tempted to have a go at that, but I don't know how successful I'll be or whether I'll just muck up the hands entirely. First off, I'll try with this wire wool. This is like the 4-0 gauge. Starting to make a bit of a difference actually. You can see it's bringing up a bit of a shine. Well, it's kind of getting there. I'm going to carry on and work on them and see how good I can get them looking. Now that I've got that to that stage, I'm going to switch to my Dremel. I'll be using this cloth buffer. And this stuff, whatever way around it. So at the end of that simple little process, I've got two very shiny hands. They've polished up really well. As I say, in an ideal world, I'd just stick these on now, but I don't like the colour. When everything else is brass looking, these have either got to be brass, gold, or do I attempt to do that bluing process that I've talked about earlier? I've decided I'm going to have a go at this bluing effect. So what I've done is I've knocked up a little tray out of a bit of brass sheeting that I had. Got these brass filings which I got hold of from a locksmith, and obviously my plumber's torch. So let's see if it works. Right, it's got quite low heat, and I've seen this done before, and the idea is to heat the whole thing up evenly, and it'll go through a process of different colours and until it eventually ends up blue. Well, that was a success. That looks gorgeous. Here's the end result. Not the perfect blue, but very good. I'm really pleased with that. Didn't expect that to happen. So that was my first time ever trying that. I've seen it done once, and I reckon I could get better at it, but I'm more than happy with these hands to go on the clock that I've just repaired.